How to fix team achievements not showing in library. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have toggle on the Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have the stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then all you have to do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Steam application on your device. So as you can see, there's no update option available on the application over here. So it means that we have the latest version of the application on my device. After that, what you can do is just go to the home screen and make a long press on Steam application and then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and you can see the option of delete all data. Now if it's possible, you can just clear the cache, and if it's not, then you can select on delete all data as well. Then tap on OK and then go to the app permissions and then make sure that you have toggle on all the required options by going on to each options and giving their access. After that, the problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.